Hi everyone, Dearly Crafted here. I thought I'd go ahead and make a little video on how I film my videos so that maybe it's helpful to other people, because sometimes it's very hard to explain. I guess when you're giving suggestions, I try to give the explanations as clear as and concise as I can. But I don't know if some people might take it offensively. So I'm just making this video to maybe help some of the newtubers out and explain some of my experiences. And I'm not perfect by any means. I've had some very challenging videos. But when it comes to filming and sound, we're still, I know, constantly dealing with the volume thing ourselves. But when it comes to filming and sound, different sounds I know affect me not enjoying a video and that sort. So I'm just going to go through some things here. So as you can see, this is my current setup. Oh, by the way, this is me sitting at the table. Look how cute. I'm not really that cute though. And so this is my unboxing video, or unboxing table, duh. So this is how I'm actually sitting at the table when I film my videos. And I'll try to pan out. I'm trying to make sure and not make y'all seasick here. So this is my setup at my unboxing table. And I know not everybody's up for this kind of setup, but it really isn't. Oh, sorry, I got really loud there because the camera's really close to my face. So this is not necessarily everybody has room for, but it's pretty minimal. So what I have here, I took off my phone cover so I can show as an example. For instance, right here, this is my phone cover only, but I'll have my phone clipped in here sideways. Okay, my volume buttons and power buttons and all that are up here, and then there's nothing on the other side. So that's where my phone is setting when I'm filming. Now, just because it's set sideways does not always mean that it will record the way I want it to. So before I upload a video, I go into my phone, look at the video, and if you go into your video, you have the option of rotating your video so that way when you go to upload it or copy it to your desktop first, you can proof it to make sure it's the long way, that it recorded long ways, and have it rotated in the correct direction. Once again, trying to explain this without actually showing you on my phone. So, okay. So basically what my phone is on, it's on, this is actually a boom mic stand. And I got this information from another YouTuber that does a lot of electronics reviews and that sort of thing. So this is a boom mic stand, and it was very inexpensive. Did this whole setup for basically less than $35. $35 or less, somewhere around there. My apologies there. With the exception of the ring light. That was around $17 or $18, depending on what the tax was. I can't recall. So, boom mic, Amazon brand boom mic with a cam attachment. And sorry, I had to reach over. It's a little cam attachment. And then the phone holder right here, this plastic piece right here. So, and then over here I have this ring light phone holder combo. Now, if you're just looking for something minimal to get some lighting and have your phone be able to, something to hold your phone while you're recording, this is a good option. Like I said, I think it was under $20 for this piece, and it clips right to the table here. And that back there is my laptop bag. I just use that kind of as a counterweight on the boom arm to kind of just keep it stable. Not like it needs it, but looked all right there. So, okay. So you can see the lighting. This is just with the overhead light so far, right? And I still have shadows in my, in my videos and that. So, like I said, the other lighting that we had got particularly for this is in another part of the house right now. And plus it's almost like it's too big for this room. I don't know if I'll retrieve it or not, but we'll see in the future. In the meantime, this ring light, like I said, it has a holder for your phone where it can hold it sideways, and you can bend it forward and then turn this arm so that it can hold your phone sideways. And then you have this light back here to help you out with your filming area, okay? Now, I still use the ring light, even though I don't use the phone holder. I use the boom because I like the overhead shots. But, so, alright, so you see how this looks without, I'm so sorry I'm getting too loud because I'm holding the phone right to my face. So without the ring light on, okay, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. That's with the ring light on, and that helps light up this area, and it's kind of odd because I'm trying to hold it over as I would usually with filming. So once again, this is me. This is my table area. And I messed around with my ring light. Now see, I'm seeing reflections here off of these plastic things. And so I pull up a little bit. And I try to avoid reflection as much as possible. But if I have to, I just adjust that ring light a little bit. And you'll see. Alright, so I actually pushed it kind of back a little bit. And yes, it created more of a shadow right along there, but it helps avoid some of the reflections. So you just kind of have to play with it, figure it out. And so push it forward again. Once again, just test shots, reflections, that sort of thing. Now, as far as the surface area when you're filming, I have the wood tabletop here. See, I sit on the floor when I do my videos. There's me, sitting on the floor, doing my videos, and having fun with you guys. And with the wood table, it absorbs a lot of clinky sounds that can happen when you're using scissors and that sort of thing. Once again, I know I'm like weird. I'm really super sensitive sometimes to certain sounds. Kids and dogs actually don't bother me. I don't get that, bothered by, that's life, but the clinky, scrapey sounds, so if you only have a plastic table, something that will absorb the sound, even something as simple as a pretty, fabric will absorb sound, tablecloth, and or something that absorbs that scrapey, clinky sound. And I know we all deal with the plastic sounds from the packaging, so I have yet to figure out how to do that, other than having to go through and edit and mute. But I talk so much, it's hard to edit out certain things, such as and anyway. So, and I'm trying to think of anything else that might come to mind. But once again, when you're recording your videos, you can go into your phone, rotate them, and have the maximum area of filming by filming with your phone sideways, and then going in and rotating it to be the proper direction, reviewing it that it is in the proper direction before you upload. And once again, I'm hoping that this will help, help somebody if they're, challenged with trying to figure out what in the world is going on with my videos. Why can everybody else do it this way? And I know I did a lot of research, and I still had to go through the struggles here and there. I still do with some of the things. So I'm going to put you on pause for a moment because I think I had notes about what else I wanted to go over with you. So hold for just a moment. Oh, the other thing, I'm back. The other thing as well from making sure and doing your videos at the right angle is that you're not stressing and straining to get into frame as much with your phone. There we go again. See, I can't edit it out though. I'm yakking. So if you're stretching and straining, if you have your phone more directly over the area that you're doing things, you're not, and your lights, you're not stressing and straining your own body to get things in the shot and for people to actually be able to see and or hear sometimes. Like I said, I'm making this video to try to be helpful, and I hope it is. Once again, I am not a smarty pants, know-it-all type of thing, and I'm just trying to be helpful, and I'm not keen on somebody getting offended, so there you go. I want to make sure we're all helping each other out, and once again, I've tried to explain maybe here and there as nicely but yet as clear as I could, and I'm thinking it was taken with offense. So one of the few times I'm not being funny, but I am being serious because I want to be helpful. That I feel is one of my jobs as a human being on this earth. Alright, you guys. Love y'all's videos. Keep it up. Have fun. And take care. We'll see you next time.